Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2007 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. The following binary values were applied to the X and Y inputs of NAND latch in the sequence indicated. X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 1 first we will apply, and after that XY are 0 0, XY as 1 1. What will be the corresponding stable PQ states? Okay, so whenever it is going to be first time, what we are applying is nothing but X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 1. X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 1 is nothing but X will be 0, Y will be 1. And we know that one from the truth table of NAND gate. Okay, if at least one of the input is going to be 0 for NAND gate, at that time the output is going to be always 1 irrespective of other input. So if you are going to be looking at this is NAND gate, assume that one this is first one and it is second NAND gate. So this first NAND gate, the input X is equal to 0. So irrespective of other input, because 0 into something is 0 and 0 bar you will get because of this bubble. So P will be equal to 1 and this 1 will come over here. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 bar is nothing but 0. So Q will be 0. So for the first XY is equal to 0 1, you will get PQ as 1 0. Okay, and next set is going to be you are applying 0 0. Next set what you are applying is nothing but 0 0. That 0 0 is nothing but we will go in this way. So whenever you are applying 0 0 combination, so X is equal to 0 and Y is equal to 0. Whenever X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0, both the inputs of this, that is for this first NAND gate the input is 0, one of the input, for the second NAND gate also one of the input is 0. 0 into something irrespective of other line, okay, you will get 0. 0 bar is nothing but 1. P will be 1 and Q will be 1 you will get, because one of the input for the NAND gate is 0, by the time definitely output will be 1. So P is equal to 1, Q is equal to 1 you will get. And third set we are applying in this way. Okay, third set over here we are applying, so that for X is equal to 1 we are applying. So for third set X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1. So you cannot predict the output value now, because if it is going to be input for the NAND gate is 1, at that time output directly depend on the other inputs. Whenever one of the input is 0 for a NAND gate, output definitely 1, you can predict that one. But whenever one of the input is 1, at that time you cannot predict the output depends on the other inputs. Now we don't know about the values of P and Q. Okay, the other inputs we don't know. So by this time, if the other inputs are going to be, let us assume other inputs are going to be 0 1. If other inputs are going to be 0 and 1, P is equal to 0, Q is equal to 1, by that time this 0 will come over here and this 1 will come over here. One of the input is 0 for this second NAND gate. Okay, so that the output is always 1, and this 1 will be coming over here. 1 1 is nothing but total product is 1 and complement of that one is 0. So it will be remains in the same state. If PQ is equal to 0 1, it will be in the remains same state. Otherwise instead of that one, okay, if PQ, let us assume P is equal to 1, Q is equal to 0, by that time this will become 0. Okay, instead of that one this will become 0, instead of this one this will become 1. So for the first NAND gate the input is 0, that makes output will be in the 1 condition only, and this 1 will appear over here. 1 into 1, for that one the output of NAND gate is 0, so it will be in the same state. If PQ is going to be 0 1, it will be remains in the same state whenever XY is equal to 1 1, and if PQ is equal to 1 0, it will be in the remain state, it will be in the same state if X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 1. So X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1 is nothing but we can say it as hold state, that is the values present at output will be holded forever, will be remain forever. So that is nothing but these are going to be the right answer for this question is nothing but C. Look at over here, C. So for X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 1, PQ is equal to 1 0. Okay, this is right. And second set is nothing but X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0. By that time P is equal to 1, Q is equal to 1. Next, whenever x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Okay, depending on the p and q values, the state will be, so pq, if it is 1 0, output will be 1 0. If pq is equal to 0 1, output will be 0 1. If pq is equal, no, that is pq is equal to 0 1. So this is nothing but answer. The right answer for the question is C. Okay, so C is the right answer. Thank you.